Good day, everyone. Today is September 4th, 2025. This is part number one. As far as economic reports, we have plenty of reports set to be released later on today, whether it's ISM services, whether it has to do with the ADP employment, manufacturing. So they cover different facets of the economy. Therefore, those reports will be important to watch, and they will have an impact on the markets, whether it's currencies, commodities, or a stock market. So we'll be watching those carefully. As far as gold, it has an average true range of $42 now based on the last 9 days average move. And yesterday, gold has reached an all-time high of about, on the XAU, 35, 78, 79 or so. And then from that point, we saw a lot of profit taking. It hit hard by profit taking, and we have dropped quite considerably from that high. Therefore, I expect this high to be with us for this week. I don't expect gold to eclipse this high this week, okay, at least for this week, so today and tomorrow. Therefore, we'll be selling gold above 35, 65 or higher on the XAU today and tomorrow. We will only buy gold if we drop about $50 or more from the highest point. Keep in mind, for a day trade, we only like to risk 40% of the average range. 40% is $17. So that's our risk, long or short on gold. Whether we're long or short, if a move occurs the opposite direction by $17 from our entry, that's where we are going to exit gold on a stop loss. That's our max risk. As far as S&P is concerned, S&P so far for the week, it's in a sideways range. It gapped open down on Tuesday after the holiday from Monday, Labor Day holiday. This gap opened down from Friday's close has been now filled. We don't know what happens next, but basically it's the markets are moving sideways, and the average true range on the S&P is $53.50. 40% of that is about $22. So we're only risking $22 on any given trade, $22 move on the S&P. That's our risk for today. Now, as far as which direction we will take, we'll need more data. We will have this data probably by around market open, about 9:30 Eastern time, AM today. We will have enough data to determine which direction we will take, whether on equities or gold, and we'll decide. So we're looking for 66% probability of success, whether we go bullish uptrend, bearish downtrend, or sideways. For the period, we'll look in a trade, typically about 4 hours forward. And then, of course, once we enter the trade, we manage the risk based on that 40% of the average true range. So we'll conclude by saying we're selling gold above 35.65 today, buying gold on any 50-point drop from any high. And as far as the equities are concerned, we need more data. But the risk for equities is going to be $22 today, and the risk for gold is $17. So we'll come back later on today before 10 a.m. Eastern time to decide which direction we will be trading those markets. Until then, I wish everyone the best of luck, and thank you.